Hi guys, today we're going to be making slime. The materials you need: a cup with numbers, some foam soap, and glue, and baking soda. Put this all on the side, and if you have a spoon or a chopstick, you could use that. First we get some glue and we pour it. But don't overdo it, like I did. Then we mix it with something. Should look like this. Now shake the foam soap, and the foam soap is like this. I got apple foam soap. Now mix the foam soap with it. If you think you didn't add that much glue, add some more. But that's how you do it. So you should get something like this right now. Add some more glue. And I believe so it's gonna come out as puffy cloud slime. It's looking good right now, but you have to mix it about 3 minutes or 2. That's how it looks right now. If you can kind of stretch it, that's a good sign. So keep mixing it. Keep adding like a little bit more glue. Add some more maybe. That's a lot. Mix it. It's better if you have a partner. So it's like, no, still, it's kind of soggy. It's not the best, but keep mixing it. And if you want, you could add some hand cream, only if you want. So I have this. I could add it. Here. A little bit. And use it for my hands. Add some more. Here, I'll mix it. So it's like this right now. Add some more glue. Now get some of this, and I'll pour some in here. keep on pouring. I got in there. Okay, I think it's not a lot, just a little bit. And I'll mix it. It's supposed to start working. Making it, now it looks more like cloud slime now. Now keep on adding until it gets okay. I added a little bit more and it's coming out in chunks. Okay, it's almost ready. Maybe I'll add some a little bit more. That was too much. Now let's pour some back in. Here. Just making sure no slime fell in there. Okay, and now keep on mixing. Like I added too much of it, I think. So I'm gonna add some lotion. And mix it. It's actually coming out pretty good. I'll add a little bit more of this. And now it's almost done. You could take some out and feel it. I'm going to take it out because it's ready. And you can pour it on the table when you're ready. Or pour it somewhere. And then take the stick out. Now collect it all. Actually works. I'll collect some more from here. I'll just add some glue, maybe a little bit. But this is how it works. So if you have any questions where I got this, just ask me in the comments. So it came out good. I could add a little bit more lotion. Bye.